Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Cast Iron Wednesday. We're excuse me, another week. Dang. This month's challenge is sides, and I thought, well, there's one of the greatest sides I can think of is mac and cheese. So we're gonna make. I'm also making pork chops too. So pork chops, mac and cheese, and corn. So I'm using a little supportware for the corn. But let's get to it. Alright, so I got my water started. This is gonna be for the corn on the cob. I have a Dutch oven. I couldn't see busting out a whole Dutch oven just for this. I got my macaroni over here. I'm gonna do a measured cup. So. Then I got my cheese already grated. I'm going to do a cheese sauce from scratch. So I'm going to do flour and butter. And then I've got two cheeses, but I might do a 3 cheese. Throw a little Parmesan in there. So I'll do a 3 cheese mac and cheese. And then I got the skillet here for pork. Just waiting for the water. Alright, water's finally at a boil, so throw in some salt, pre-salted water. Taking about 10 minutes. Always give it a stir. Got a pretty good deal on this pork. It's only 5 pieces for $5. So I'm gonna do 2.5 pieces tonight, and then I got tomorrow's dinner scored for tomorrow, and I'm gonna make mac and cheese again. So, and this Dutch oven, it's like the pasta's kind of sticking to the bottom. Probably should have stuck to the non-stick. I got my corn here. I'll just go ahead and throw it in. Pre-salted water. And this pasta is super close. I'm just gonna take one out and eat it. You know, a minute 23 seconds to go on the timer, which I set for 10 minutes. Pretty close. So what I actually want to do too is I want to save some of this water. Hopefully with no pasta. Pasta keeps slipping into it. I don't need a lot, but cool. Just got a little bit of saved. Less than a minute on the timer. I'll probably go ahead and drain it off camera. There we go. Throw some butter in there. Let it melt. I'm gonna add trying to go with a tablespoon of butter. I reduce the heat as well, because I made biscuits and gravy, and I only got about half of that milk left. Makes me a little nervous, but make sure you guys can see. So just waiting for that to melt. There we go. I got a tablespoon of flour. I might just add just a bit more. Let me go ahead and add the milk. Just gonna throw it all in there so it can start to thicken. Some of the pasta did stick to the bottom. Just need to bring that back up to a boil. And add a little seasoning to the pork here. A little salt. Old Bay. garlic, which I should have had opened already. Try not to get pork everywhere either, so. Alright, meat's in. Oh, I guess you couldn't fully see that. Actually having a good deal of difficulty tonight. Everything's in the way. Throw some cheese in. A little bit of a cop out, but I will throw in some Parmesan. We'll call it a 3 cheese mac and cheese. You guys can see that. I can't see the view screen right here, but that looks pretty good. Go ahead and throw the macaroni back in. Now, I already know this is going to need a little seasoning, so let's turn that down to low. Alright, for the mac and cheese, I'm just gonna do salt and pepper. As you can tell, I use this pepper a lot. I'm almost out of it. But no worries. I literally have a Costco thing to refill it, so oh yeah. I go through a lot of pepper. Mac and cheese looks real good. Go ahead and kill the heat on that and let it sit. I don't think I'm going to need any of the pasta water. Pork is smelling pretty scrumptious. I just want to move them around. Man, that pork is smelling really good. I also sprinkled on a little bit of little thyme on there as well. I just kind of did it off camera because I only had 2 hands to work with. But that's all I'm going to do with it. No gravy or anything because I got the mac and cheese. Pork is done, so I'm going to go ahead and put the mac and cheese in a bowl. So that way it won't run all over the plate. So that's what she looks like. Yeah, I gotta get a taste of that. Get my pork out. Grab my corn. Push that off the burner. Everything is off. Alright, so here's the mac and cheese. It's a 3 cheese mac and cheese, cheddar, pepper jack, and Parmesan. It's looking real good. Probably 1,000 degrees. Wow. That is really good. I think the texture that you buy when you buy mac and cheese, the box stuff, the texture is just way different. but it's different in a better way. That makes sense. Really good. Just because I'll try a piece of the pork. Like I said, I just seasoned it, fried it in a little olive oil. Didn't really do anything special. Damn. Dip that in mac and cheese. Alright, well, everything tastes fantastic, so I'm gonna go sit down and eat my dinner and go back to streaming my shows. Playlist for Castle on Wednesday will be down below. Don't forget, thanks Shovelhead8, thanks for all your hard work maintaining the playlist, appreciate it. And yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner and hope the rest of you have a great rest of your week. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.